5 ways to make money on crypto TapSwap. Now here are 5 ways to make money on crypto TapSwap. First of all, when you open the TapSwap game, the first way that you earn is simply by tapping. So you can tap as much as you want, as many as you can in how much of a time period that you have, and then earn some amount of money in that case. The other way is you can actually complete their missions. So when you come to the task tab and you go under cinema, you can complete their missions, which will say to start this mission right here. Click on start mission, and then whatever else it says to watch this video from beginning to end, and other surveys as such. The third way is you can join their social channels to be able to earn some money. So if you join the social, you'll get 600,000 coins, their YouTube channel 1 million coins, their button bot, their YouTube, or whatever else it is, then you'll be able to go ahead and then verify it. Similarly, fourth way is that you can swap the tokens. So you can connect your wallet, swap the tokens from one token to another token to be able to convert that into fiat currency and withdraw it. Then last but not the least, you can also use a referral. So you can invite people using a referral link, and as many of them join, you'll be able to gain more and more bonuses. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically make money on crypto TapSwap. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.